Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and today we have the technical session number 136. Our subject is curbstone as a material for the roads and the infrastructure projects. So we will discuss about the materials and application and the mixed design and also all the required informations. But before going ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe, press the bell icon, like it, share in order to reach the next video with the easy access. So our channel reference is Material Engineer Officials, where the 135 videos are on board, where anyone can see any video by easy approach. So let us go to the subject. We will discuss about the because the curbstone types B, C, E, and F mostly used in the road and the infrastructure projects. The curbstone are hydraulically pressed and are designed for to implement block paving and at the same time serve as a ideal, attractive, and the versatile as resistant. So extensive engineering and the good selection of the components like this and exceptional bonding unit for the paving blocks. The curbstone is an essential addition to the roads, uh, walkway, and the footpaths and other separation areas. It is also served the units as the main purpose is being separately created separation with the visual uh, declination of the walkway and the traffic areas. The curbstone available and the suitable for a variety of application in both commercial and the civil specs. The curbstone, what is the concrete curbstone? Curbstone offers a serious function as well as the creating a boundary between the carriageway and the pavement of the footpath and the areas beside it, and it can help the direct surface uh, water into a drainage system and indicates where the person and the highway, which is usually planning the road projects and the other neighboring projects. So there are the weather physically setting of these edges and the capstone, and it is also protect the land from the erosion and other damages by the accidents. So what are the benefits of choosing the curbstone? Curbstone is made of concrete, ready-mix concrete, and it is because the concrete is durable and the withstand range of the weathering condition. In addition, there are many specification and also particularly many clients and the standards also and whatever the project specification it should be extract from there. The curbstone have the specific mixed design which have the characteristic strength according to the specification and but the minimum characteristic strength is the 40 newton per millimeter square and it can be more also but according to the mixed design and the relevant standards it should be fixed. The range of concrete curbstone is designed to enhance the roads walkway and the cycle lines and create a neat finish. There are whether the budgets and the working the manufacturer is also a time to the consider. The top of the curbstone should be 100 above the road surface with the pavement and the curb is budded by the at least 100 thickness. The curbstone types always also it is denoted and showing in the working drain and it should be followed according to the approved cross section of the road. So at least 150 provided lateral supports. The curb should be provided and the concrete level also it can be tapped. The longitudinal drainage system This curbstone is also benefit for the heights of these types, and the curve is 70 to 80 mm. Commonly, the most straight curves are the 915 mm in length, and sometimes it's the small types of the curves are manufactured as per the requirements. The transportation of the engineering radius curves are generally 780 mm in the length, but mostly it can be considered as a customer item, and it can be fabricated in in some special cases. In the beginning of the nature of the stone, it was the use of curved stone also uh, uh, placed with the precast concrete. For the several emergency vehicle and the limbs and the fact on the footpaths and the shoulder also it can be used according to the working drains. For the longitudinal drainage system, these types of the curved stones are the beneficial, and the height of this curved stone is 70 to 80 mm, and the types of the curved stone is uh, mounted as the uh, shop drawing or the working drawings. So the curved, there are physical properties, all the raw materials testing according to the BS or ASTM and whatever all the physical properties, chemical properties, it should be conducted according to the frequency of the test. And also the compressive strength and the flexural strength also it should be complied, and all the test results parameters should be complied according to the standard and the mixed design of the relevant materials and the relevant products. So once it is complied, and then the also a random sample is selected from the whole lot according to the relevant standards. So this sample should be sent to the independent laboratory for the testing, and based on the test, it should be going to the approved for particular material submittals, and particular material submittal should be followed in accordance to the working drawing and the contract specification and the agreed test frequency. So this was the briefing about the different types of curbstone which are using in the sites, in the roads, and the infrastructure projects. But the curbstone is always there are for the placing and installation require many other steps also, hunching and PCC and whatever the blending is coming, but that is according to the working drawings and also as per the master statements and separate workmanships also. So this was the briefing about the capstone, and in next video we will see each other with another subject. Thank you very much and have a nice day.